Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tuqa and today we will continue learning Arabic letters. We have 9 letters left, so today we're going to learn these 4 and next lesson we will learn the rest and finish the alphabet. Isn't it amazing? Let's do it! Today's letters are Dad, Dha, Ghain and Qaf. The shapes of these letters are very easy because they are similar to those of the last lesson. So let's start with the shapes of Dad. Dad. This letter is very rare in other languages and that's why some call Arabic the language of Dad. So how can you pronounce Dad? Well, the articulation point of Dad is similar to that of D or Dal, but a little bit wider. So to pronounce Dad, you can start with Dal, like Da, Da, and lift the back of your tongue. So Da, Da, Dad, Dad. However, it's very important to differentiate between the sound of Dal and the sound of Dad. So listen carefully to me reading these words and pay attention to the difference. Dab, 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 Dab. خد خد خض خض درب درب ضرب ضرب. Now let's see examples. أبيض أبيض أبيض. أبيض means white and أخضر 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 means green أخضر أخضر. Now ضا. Dha, Dha. To pronounce Dha, you can start with the articulation point of Dal, Dal, Da, Da, and lift the back of your tongue. So you say Dha, Dha, Dha. That's it. Now, let's practice Dal and Dha together and please pay attention to the difference. حذر حذر حضر حضر يحذو يحذو يحظو يحظو. Here is an example of a word that has dha. Abu Abu Dhabi Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is the capital city of the UAE. Abu Dhabi, Abu Dhabi. Now, Ghain. Ghain, Ghain. Ghain sound is articulated from the top of the throat here, just like Kha, but Kha is voiceless, while Ghain is voiced. So to pronounce Ghain, you can start with Kha sound and try to constrict your throat muscles. You say Agh, Agh, Gh, غ غين. You shouldn't allow the air to flow through your mouth. غ غ أغ غ غين. It is similar to the sound of gargling, right? أغ غ غ غين. For example, غريب غريب. غريب means strange. So when you see something unusual or weird, you can say غريب غريب, like ananas on pizza. For me it is غريب غريب. I didn't try it though, but it seems to be غريب. And now the last letter for today, قاف. قاف قاف. This letter's sound comes out when the deepest part of the tongue touches the very back of the soft palate here. قا قا قاف. أق قا قا. Try it several times until you get used to this part of your mouth. قا أق قاف. Examples: قارب قارب. قارب means about, قارب. And صديق. صديق means friend. So my friend is صديقي صديقي. And now the last exercise. Let's read. طريق طريق طريق. بيض بيض بيض. ظرف ظرف ظرف. صغير صغير صغير. بغداد بغداد بغداد. That's it for today. Please don't forget to hit the like button and leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Salam.